Oh my god, lag. I don't know what. Fucking
Seen it.
Bro, this road looks completely different now.
Shit, with these purple headlights, I don't know where the fuck we are. Neverland?
Even with the trees, like, bro, you know
Narnia?
Oh my god, that was so close.
Honestly, I didn't even know you made it through that. You just appeared on the other side. You did. Oh, what the fuck?
What, the jump?
Yeah.
Bro, you know what road this is?
I do and I don't.
It just feels completely different now.
I didn't even know that fucking shit-ass piece of road was there. That was wild.
Oh my god, careful. You know what road this is, too.
Almost hit that tree.
You know what road this was. That's why I was like, whoa, that felt so different. You wanna take lead this time?
Yeah.